subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Google has finally launched its new mid-range smartphone called Pixel 5a with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Pixel 5a features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, paired with Adreno 620 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Pixel 5a supports a dual camera setup on the rear and a square-ish module that includes a 12MP main camera with f1.7 aperture and a 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 118.7° field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting up to 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it supports optical plus electronic image stabilization. At the front, it has 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture and 83° field of view support. The device comes equipped by a large 4680 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on stock Android 11 with minimum 3 years OS and security updates by the company. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 154.9 by 73.7 by 7.6 mm and it weighs around 183 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Google Pixel 5a has been priced in the US at $449 and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in mostly black color option, and it is set to go on sale starting from August 26th. So what do you guys think of this Pixel 5a 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.